Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to animate objects along paths or curves. Let's start. We will use this original cube to move along the path. First, we will create the path. Go to Add menu and from Curve select Path. Change the mode to Edit mode. Change the path shape as you want. Select the cube. Go to Object Properties. At Relation menu and from Parent pick the NURBS path. Move it to the start position of the path. By checking the animation, we found that no animation happened to the cube. Select the path. Go to Object Data Properties. At Path Animation. Change the evaluation time value. The cube now is animate through the path. Activate the Follow option. At the timeline, activate the auto keying. And activate the animate property. Change the frame to 60. Change the evaluation time value to 100. Check the cube animation. That is all. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.